Hey MSA, here's the plan for the week. So we're going to start off with just finishing up the stuff from this unit, doing some acceleration equation practice problems. There's also a little bit of graphing review in there. So you can get started on it during the async time, but don't feel like you have to finish it because we're going to take some time for it in class today. The warm-up question is that I want to hear about your trip up north and how that went and what was the coolest part about it, what you learned, and if you could see yourself being a scientist studying stuff like that. Biology is super cool. I want you guys to study everything and know everything. So, we're going to start off the synchronous time by talking about a rocket that China launched off that re-entered the atmosphere, and they weren't exactly sure where it was going to land. We're going to talk about the forces involved in that. Then we're going to work on those acceleration equation practice problems and graphing in your small groups. And then you'll have a choice between doing a review Google form that's going to give you a good kind of like feedback on how you're doing, or a Kahoot. So either one you guys choose is totally fine. And then on Wednesday, there is a test review slideshow that is 37 questions. So I'm going to give you guys a chance to do that. And it's obviously you're not going to have a chance to finish it all in the async time. So what I would recommend that you would do is that, and what we'll have time to do that day, is we're going to work on that slideshow in groups. Test review slides. And you can choose, to do all the problems and just make sure you're like super golden, or you can pick and choose the ones that were more challenging for you and just make sure that you're solid on those and get help on those if you need to from group mates or me or whatever. So then you also will have Friday morning to work on that review packet, and there will be an answer key for you also, and then we're going to take the test on Friday. So that's the week. You can see the schedule for the next couple weeks coming up. There's really just 2 weeks of regular classes, and then we have the final exam on Wednesday, June 9th. So that's the plan for the rest of the year. I'll see you guys today. Later today. Bye.